Yeah. Can I with her? Who is there? Yeah? It's quiet, sir. Do you ask question before you start digging? I'm talking to you. Yeah? I'm talking to you, accountant. Huh?
Uncle.
Do you ask question if you start doing anything in this land?
Uncle, what is it?
If you call me uncle now, I will slap you. Are you mad calling me uncle? Do you know me? Don't know you.
Uncle, I don't understand.
Who will be your father? This is family land. Uncle, are you part of us?
Uncle, why are you like this?
Don't uncle me. If you uncle me now, I will slap you. Who be your uncle?
Uncle, this is my father's property.
Who be your father?
This is my father's property, and before he died, he bought this property and is the one that molded this block.
Who be your father?
Mazi Okechukwu, of course, and you know.
Hey, Chineke. See, before I disgrace you, you better ask question. Before you open that your gutter, you come out, you better ask question. My brother doesn't show me any son that have any son and anywhere. Are you with me? Okay, that woman that point this place for you, say that this place belongs to you. That woman.
Thank God, Uncle, you are here.
What is going on here? My senior brother, how are you doing?
Uncle.
It's not time for check.
Thank you, you are
It's
here.
not time for check.
What did happen? What is going on? What is
I
going
don't
on?
know this color. I don't know what I'm doing.
Why are you asking me? Don't you know him?
If I know him, I will be asking who are you? I don't know him.
Your brother in a
Father, thank God you are here.
Okay.
I don't understand what Uncle is saying.
What is
Can you
going on?
imagine?
If
In my
you call me
own
uncle as again, Amadola will cut off your neck. Amadola will cut off your neck.
Ah, see.
What
What
he said, I am not a bona fide son of this
Ah,
house.
see.
Do you hear his language?
Aga,
Who's your
brother.
father? Who be your mother? I'm getting knowing you as my junior
But
brother.
now, see, my
I'm not
brother.
getting-
Leave this matter for me now. I'll take care of this. To end this matter now, Oga. You have put in a family. You go come out for this family here now. As I'm telling you now.
You go hear this thing.
That's it. Tell me you got one more
You go hear this thing.
I got you. You got one more thing. My brother, tell me now. Why you also? Why you also? Get if I say you this company again, you not gonna like me. By second, somebody will be somebody to buy each other. See, let's leave this water for me. Oya Bonyala. Oya Bubuku.
How am I not sure it's this man that killed my father?
Again, don't worry. Truth will come out very soon. Don't worry. Allow this water for me, Abandra.
What is all this? What kind of family is this?